All right, everybody, stop sucking him off, or we get it. He has a fucking Hellcat.
Basically a Bugatti, bro. If you really think about it.
No three things of what? Freak man, I mean.
Freak man, zesty. He did.
He's crazy. He'll
I
tell me
lied.
he had everybody there. There was your spot. Here in this little.
What is up, YouTube? This is Isaac, aka Genuinely Driven, back with another video. Don't mind the work clothes. We just got off work. I had to do a little overtime. We just got off at 6 o'clock in the morning. We got a lot of planned today. We got a lot. We're currently at 350 views, which is insane. I would never imagine me even reaching that on the first video I ever dropped. I was expecting like at least 100. So each and every one of you guys that liked, commented, and even shared it, got it out there. I appreciate you guys deeply, more than you guys can even imagine. Like I said, I want to do this for you guys, and I want to do this right, and I want to do it proper so I can get great content so that you guys can keep returning to these videos. And like I said, you guys can keep loving them and sharing them like you guys been doing. So my boy Kevin, aka Panda, we're gonna meet up later, and he's gonna help me wash the Jetta because it hasn't been cleaned in I don't know how long. Been in the driveway leaking oil. We're gonna address all those problems. But as of now, we're just gonna wash it, get all that dust, grime, sand, because my freaking driveway's a sand pit for some reason. But we're gonna get that sand, dirt, grime, oil, all that stuff off of it, and hopefully it starts on the first try. It's not gonna start on the first try. But after me and Panda get the car washed, me and a couple of homies go like 35 minutes out to this place called Dykesville, Wisconsin. We're gonna go to this place called Frosty Tip and get some soft serve. They got custard, burgers, freaking french fries, everything you could dream of, and it's amazing. It's like a 50 aesthetic, so it's super chill, super dope, and yeah, they love cars out there. So we're gonna go drive out there, nice cruising back roads, and hopefully I get some good clips for you guys so you guys can enjoy it. Sit back, watch, and just vibe out, you know? So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Looky what we have here. How much y'all want to bet it don't start? How much y'all want to bet?
Tell him to bring me my money.
Well, we're about to find out, though. We're about to find out. She's still in the same spot we left her in. Covering that little spot. But yeah, we're going to see if she starts. Oh, there's lights. Last time there wasn't, guys. If you guys remember, there was not any lights. Oh, don't have the freaking key. That would help. All right, we got the key. Hold on, put it in the ignition there. Put it in there. Oh.
Yeah, she's deader than a freaking doornail.
Well, we got a jump started. Yeah. Did y'all expect anything different from Genuinely Driven? Y'all expect anything freaking different from Genuinely Driven? I didn't think so. All right, we gotta come down here. Pop the little latchy pull. Sponsored by Glow Shift. Shut the door. Close donut. Pop. Oh! Oh, that stayed in the video. Can I do this one-handed? Oh, Isaac's clutch. She is beautiful, isn't she? Don't look at the air filter. But we gotta go do the same thing to the fin. Let me pop the trunk first and get the jumper cables out. Yes, it's dirty. I know it's the dailies. Ooh, got the Jim Bob. We got the Jim Bob Slamatrons in here. Let me take the jumpies. Bro, she's the daily. She got the tools, got the impact. Don't have a jack because, you know, you got the Slamatron 3000s in there. Can't have this jack in there. So let me set the camera up so I can get a good shot for y'all. And we might as well try out these little dandy little microphones I got here because I'm gonna set the camera far away from you guys so I can get the good shots, so I can get the good angles. And yeah, hopefully it's picking up the volume. Let me clip it on my shit real quick. Let me do technical difficulties. Okay. Alright, we're gonna pop the hood here. I know I'm out of the camera. You can still hear a player. We're gonna pop the hood here.
3.5 liter V6.
That's an HR for you. That ain't no DE, boy. That's the big boy. That's the big VQ. God damn. Who made these so tangled? I definitely didn't. Alright, we got them untangled. Look at that dump truck. I know y'all see that dump truck. Stop staring at it. Y'all dirty. Y'all sick. Y'all making me blush. Alright. Put it on the negative here. Put it on the red is the positive if y'all didn't know. Ooh! Can y'all hear that? Let me come show y'all. So my fans are doing a little spinny span. little spinny span back there, in the little jiggulators. So we're gonna see if she starts. She's obviously got power, right? All the lights are on. Let's see if she cranks. Oh ho 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 ho. Oh ho 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 ho. I didn't even think the Infinity's on. I didn't even think the Infinity's on too, bro. She jump started it. Holy chunky. Well, we know she starts. That's good. Let's get to the car wash before Panda's waiting 10 years for me. And let's get this car washed. And yeah, let's get this video started. Pandita! She is absolutely filthy.
Brother, ugh.
Nice. Later.
We're at BP right now, guys. Little weather delay. It started raining out of nowhere. It was supposed to be sunny and 77 today. It was supposed to be nice and clear. And I guess Wisconsin had other options.
And I'm proud to be an American.
Don't think before. Freak man, I mean.
Freak man, zesty. He did. We're at Quick Trip right now, guys. We had a little weather delay. I don't even know if you can hear me. It's so freaking windy. Got a bit of a crowd going here, though. Not too bad, not too bad. Nothing major, nothing major. Got a little stubby here. Got a little shibby. Yeah, we got quite a little crowd here going. We got my boy Tristan over here with his nice little M3. Quick Trip special?
On God.
On God. You know where to get it. You know where to find it. You know where to find it. Dante's little FC. Little Dante FC. Some slight. Some slight. All right, everybody, stop off or we get it. He has a Hellcat.
We need people to not slam on the brakes at a green light. I was going like slightly above the speed limit. I was going 36 and a 35. Then we get to a green light and people are yamming on the brakes. Shit, basically a Bugatti, bro. If you really think about it.
Guess what?
Just got bro.
A lot.
That bitch don't got 6XL.
Said, what size doesn't he have? 6L.
Snapple. I'm gonna sponsor Snapple real quick. Gas.
Gas. He's not lying. I mean,
gas?
that stuff is gas. I apologize.
Snapple.
Sponsored. We're in the car right now. We're about to go to Frosty Tip. We still got the whole convoy behind us, as you guys saw in the last clips. Yeah, just a little fat cruise. A whole bunch of the homies came, so it's been a fun time. You know, we got a fat line. So I'm gonna start recording and driving before my wheel falls off. I'll see you guys when we get there. So we made it to Frosty Tip, guys. It was like a 30-minute drive, not too bad. Took a little back roads and then a little highway. Thank God I didn't take the Jetta, because that would have been horrible. As you can see, we got all the cars here. We got the best barber in Green Bay.
Make my shit straight.
Come on now, dog.
Yeah. But yeah, we got the cars up today. Don't worry, we got more. I love this place though. It has like the great aesthetic, great food, great, even better ice cream. And it's like a 50s theme, so it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Gary, I think you're on the ground there, buddy.
I like driving behind you.
You do? Why?
Like, yo, what's the swerve around?
I know, dude, because like the roads out here were so bad. Took back roads, man. And I saw Gary mobbing behind me the whole time. He was swerving and swerving, you know?
Every time you're in front of me, I'm like, because every time I see you swerve, it's like when you're driving in front of normal height or decent height.
Yeah, you don't dodge. You don't dodge. Kyle, what do you think you're doing, buddy?
Are you getting the angles?
Got Kyle here in this little
Meow meow. Oh meow meow.
Go check the back of them fucking Mickey Thompsons. I got like a 1/4 millimeter, so I'm gonna wear bars. I bought Mickey Thompsons. I got about a couple thousand miles out of those.
couple thousand.
I'll be on my 3rd set of tires and 9,000 miles. Not buy a Hellcat if you want to save money or be responsible with it at all. Roughly 120 to 150 miles on a tank of gas. Let's hope it is E. I do pay a little less for gas. I pay like $3.
What the fuck? I need a Hellcat.
Wait, not per fill, per gallon.
Per gallon. Oh, okay.
50 to fill it up.
Yeah.
Every time I drive it. Spin on a 60. I get 0 traction. It's pretty much just bolt on, takes 1,000 horse. We'll be getting wrapped. Goes in Monday.
Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned. The first people to see the wrap are gonna be on this channel.
Boom, and that's the video, guys. I appreciate everyone that watched until the end. Like I said in the beginning, you guys mean the world to me. Each and every one of you guys that even just continue just to like, comment, and just share the video just to get it out there. I can't thank you guys enough, truly. I'm gonna be trying to drop every Tuesday for you guys, so you guys can stay in the loop and continue watching me grow over this channel. I do have some exciting news for next week's video. I got another project. You got another freaking project, dude? Yes, I got another project, so stay tuned for next week's video. I'm gonna be unveiling that. I got a whole bunch of parts on the way here, and yeah, it's gonna be a great video, hopefully as good as these first two. But nonetheless, thank you guys for watching. This is Genuinely Driven. I'm saying goodbye, and stay tuned till next video. Peace.